Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to Monrovia. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers in case items have moved during the flight and may fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Our guests in premium class may disembark the aircraft first. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers leaving us here in Monrovia. On behalf of all of us at Gambia Bird, we thank you for your choosing us for your travel arrangements today. We hope that you have enjoyed your time on board, and we look forward to welcoming you again on one of our flights in the near future. For more information on Gambia Bird Airlines, our flight schedule, or new destinations, visit our website at gambiabird.com. Enjoy your stay here in Monrovia. Thank you and goodbye. Ladies and gentlemen, all passengers continuing to Freetown, Dakar and Banjul are asked to remain seated while passengers disembarking here at Monrovia leave the aircraft. Only passengers whose destination is Monrovia should leave the aircraft at this time. We will be remaining here for approximately 45 minutes. Airport authorities require that all transit passengers remain on board the aircraft during the stop. We thank you for your understanding.